Welcome to our channel, where we are all about helping you improve your finances. Today we're talking about how to save money on a tight budget. And who doesn't need some of that? We've all been there, living paycheck to paycheck, and wondering where all the money went. But don't worry, we've got you covered with 5 genius hacks to help you save money and reach your financial goals. Meal planning. One of the biggest expenses in any household is food. By planning your meals in advance, you can save money by only buying what you need and avoiding expensive takeout and convenience foods. Plus, you'll be eating healthier and feeling better in no time. Cancel subscriptions. Do you really need all those subscriptions? Take a look at your monthly bills and see what you can live without. Cancel any unused subscriptions to streaming services, magazines, or gym memberships. You'll be surprised how quickly those little expenses add up. Automate your savings. Set up a direct deposit to transfer a portion of your paycheck into a separate savings account each time you get paid. This way, you won't even have to think about saving, and you'll be less tempted to spend the money that's already in your checking account. Negotiate bills. Are you paying too much for your cell phone or internet service? Call your provider and negotiate a better rate. You might be surprised how much money you can save just by asking. Sell unused items. We all have stuff lying around the house that we don't need. Sell those unused items on eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace, and make some extra cash. Not only will you declutter your home, but you'll also pad your bank account. There you have it, folks. 5 genius hacks to save money on a tight budget. By meal planning, canceling subscriptions, negotiating bills, and selling unused items, you'll be on your way to financial freedom in no time. We hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe for more tips on how to improve your finances. Thanks for watching.